Hello, friends, and welcome back to Restore You. It is Angela, and today I am excited to share with you our patriotic ephemera kits that we have put together. If you are local in the state of Iowa, you probably know that we host a farmer's market at Harmony Hall in Riverside in Adel, Iowa, and these kits will be available there, and we will also be adding those to our Etsy store, which is To Restore You as well. So you'll be able to find those online soon. But I wanted to go through and tell you a little bit more about the kits that we put together. I try my very best to make sure that in every kit, there's at least 100 pieces of ephemera. So this is our patriotic kit. And I will be following up later on to show you some of the things that you can do with these. But essentially, this is everything that you would need, minus the book that you decide to put it in, to create something really awesome, either for summer or for Labor Day or Memorial Day, 4th of July. But I'm going to go through all of the funness of this so you can kind of see what to expect. Every kit is just a little bit different. It does sometimes require that we fold these so that they fit nice and snug into the packaging, especially for shipping. But we try to keep the integrity of everything together. So here is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to show you all of this, but just keep in mind that this particular pack is not necessarily all vintage. It's a little mix of everything from my personal collection, whether it be vintage ephemera, whether it be things that I've used for the patriotic pages and journals that I've done in the past, and a whole lot more. So I'll go through everything. The first is a tiny little baby kit. And let's see if you can see that. There's some bingo. Let's see. There's some bingo pieces. This is actually an old curler, and I am going to be using that on a journal page. And I probably will use one of these as well on a little bookmark or little dangly piece on the outside of one of those in the future. We've got some bingo pieces. We've got some star stickers. We've got, I think there's 3 charms and patriotic charms in each little pack. We also have some older vintage fabrics. These are from fabric sample books. And then we've got several pieces of patriotic paper throughout. These are little cardstock pieces that I've thrown in there. Doily, and then we have, of course, I tried to do, as always, a variety of different hues and tints of paper and fonts so that you can really get some depth and variety in whatever project you're working. But there's a samba and canasta page. Each of these have another, and these, just don't forget, don't throw this away. I did not seal these, so you can use them however you wish when you receive those. But in this little pack, there's little bingo cards. There's these little pieces that we'll be using in a project in the future, so you can tune into that to see. I love this vintage ribbon. It reminds me of Holly Hobby, so everybody gets a piece of that. A little envelope. This is not old. This came from my collection. Some USA trivia. This is from one of the projects I made in a previous video from vintage napkins. Some more vintage ribbon. These are flashcards. Some more papers. You can see lots of paper. More flashcards. And then these were just labels that I had put together, and I did a whole page of them, but I only used a few, so you guys all benefit from that. So that's what's in that little package. And let's see, let's keep going. More scorecards. This is from, I believe, a bowling sheet. This is from an old catalog. The points you lose in defense. I don't know what this is for. Oh, I think this is from a bridge book, which I know nothing about, so that's probably why I don't recognize it. This is from a teacher's edition of a book. This is a very old dictionary, super fragile. This is from a Pantone book. And then we have another bundle of goodies. Just kind of separate. I think everybody got, we just got some little pieces that I've made or stuck in there. These are some tickets that I made. A little dragonfly. It seemed like it was appropriate for summer. Everybody gets a postcard. Some more vintage fabric. This is from Wallpaper Sample Book. And this is actually photo paper, which I've been using to make some stickers and things. So that was kind of fun. More fabric samples. This is a Norman Rockwell card. Bowling tag. This I think is so adorable. These came from an auction, and it was so cool because I have actually duplicates of a lot of these. So everybody benefits by getting an original of these. But the photos were very gypsy-esque, and so I was fascinated by all of them, and I wanted to share those with you as well. So everybody gets an old photo as well, the ones that I had duplicates of. More paper. Let's see. Something from a bird book. What is this? Bridge. This is from a wallpaper sample. Cookbook page. Of course, these are some of my favorites that I scored. You probably watched the video from a yard sale when it was a citywide yard sale. So I've tried to put these in almost every kit that we do because I just think there's so much you can do with them. Another little card that must have missed one of those little packets. More a paper. Some music sheets. These were just color pages that I thought would be fun to use in a patriotic journal. Some writing paper. And everyone got something from, I don't remember what the name of this book was, but I just loved the illustrations, and they were red, white, and blue, so why not? Some more sheet music. There's some from garden books. Let's see. I hate turnips. Boodles hates turnips. Eddie's Green Thumb. Some little animals. More of those. This is just from an old, not as old, some of them, but arithmetic. This is German, a German page. That's a new find. I just started adding those. I love these illustrations of the little girl. Do not feed these animals. Well, okay. This is cute. Sense and Nonsense. More paper, some ledger. And this is from an old pattern. Everyone has a map. Everyone has some kind of pattern. Everyone gets some advertisements, which I loved. This seemed very summer to me. Everybody loves a little fried chicken. I think everyone got a car/summer piece of advertisement. This one is just 2 pages that you can cut into many from an old magazine. This is from McCall's Needlework and Crafts magazine. More book pages. This is Russian, I believe. Book from a page in... Ugh, I wouldn't be able to figure that... Is it Russian? I think so. This is from one of my favorites. You know how I love all of the old design books. So this is from a page very, very 70s, 60s, 70s. Mid-century modern. Book from my world. Let's see. The name Unita Biscuit. First product to appear in the new protective package. Unita. I've never heard of them. But they're a national biscuit company apparently, or were. Let's see. How to freeze vegetables. Sample meal plans. This is just, I loved this font. As a sidebar, I don't know if I mentioned it yet or not. I'll probably mention it in many videos because I'm so excited about it. But I did snag a electric typewriter for $6, and it came with the ribbon. So it's on my list of changing out the ribbon and getting it up and working so that I can make some more pages. And I'm going to try to do some downloads and share some digital files for you. So that will be fun. I just love to type. My kids say that they took typing and that they know how to type. And I'm like, that typing is not with 2 fingers. I'm sorry, but you got to know your home row. So that, my friends, is what is yours to create with in our patriotic 4th of July Americana kit. And again, you can find those. You can message me on our Facebook page, To Restore You VIP group. And I can tell you more about those. If you have questions and how to order, you can hop on to Etsy. And if you're nearby, we hope that you stop by our farmer's market and grab some fresh produce that is the heart of summer, and some other handmade gifts and yummies, and stop by our booth and check out our venue and say hi. So with that, I wish you all the very, very best and a safe and happy summer to you all. And until next time, my friends, remember to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.